Hey guys, welcome to Code React, and in this video we will be following our Git series, Git Practical Project series, and in this video we will be doing our very first commit. So without any further ado, let's move on to it. So now, as you see, we made such a simple project in the last video that we did. So in this video, we will be making some changes, adding it to the staging area. If you have been following me, you already know what is the staging area and what is the working directory and how they are both different. And in this video, let's make some change now. Now, I will remove both the H1s. I will make a button and I will ask you to subscribe while making a button. So like, share, and subscribe, guys, if you don't want to miss any of the further videos, because those are going to be really important. Trust me. Now I have made a change in index HTML. I will keep the script just empty for now, and I will remove this H1 styling because we don't have H1 anymore. So I'll give it a display of flex. I will give it justify content of center. I will give it align items of center as well. And then we will style our button a bit. We will remove the border from it. We will get a bit of radius to maybe show some friendliness. So let's give it a border radius of 8 pixels, just a slight border. We will give it a background color of Beverly blue, or maybe a light blue. Light blue. I don't know. Okay, it's a very light blue. So we'll give it maybe royal blue. Yeah, that's fine with me. And we'll give it a color of white because our background is royal blue, just to give it a contrast. Now let's see how our button is looking. It's looking really bad because we have no padding whatsoever at all. So we'll give it a padding. And our body is also not working. And why is that? Can you figure it out? Why the body is not, why the button is not showing right in the middle of the screen? It is because we haven't given any height to body. So we have to give minimum height of 100 VH, which is viewport height. Remember, VH is viewport height and VW is viewport width. Now that we have given that, and what we will do is we will give some padding to the button. So I'll give it maybe 12 pixels to the top and bottom, and 24 pixels from the left and right. And I will increase the font size as well, 16%, because I think our default font size for the button is 14 pixels. So it's looking good enough. So now that we have made some changes, see, we will check our status on the Git. So it says that we have modified our index HTML and main CSS. Now to add it to the staging area, we will be adding our changes to the staging area now. To do that, we will use command git add. And as if you now one more thing for you to learn is that if you want to stage all of your changes at once, which means you want to add all the changes that you have made in all of your files at once within just one command, and the shortest of the commands possible, which is you use this command git add, and you just press this dot on your keyboard, and that's it. That what it will do is it will stage all of your changes from all of your files at once. So this dot is kind of like everything, and when you press enter, and I already told you to ignore this warning, LF will be replaced by CRLF, and I already explained to you what it does. So I will not be telling you that again. It's not even important. Now that we have added the changes, we will again change the status of our project. It says that we now have like these three files, and like everything is now staged. So that's why it is showing in green. Whenever the changes are staged and added inside Git, it shows it in green. Now what our main topic is for this video, that we have to commit all the changes. So to commit all the changes, first you have to add all the changes to your staging area. Now we have already added our changes to the staging area. Now we will be committing the changes. So how do you make a commit? You make the commit by using the command git commit, and then you press minus have, or it's not actually minus or not, neither hyphen. It's called a flag, flag flag. So you can either write a shorthand notation like this flag m, or you can use the uh, like full notation dash dash or hyphen hyphen message. And so I basically used to have a shorthand notation, so that's what I will do. And then you have to write your commit message, like what are you committing, what is your commit all about. So all my latest changes, that's what I will do. But remember, you always have to write your commit, you like write your commit related to the topic. If you are just changing the background color of your body, then you just write that change my background color. You always have to write in the present tense. I will be discussing the best practice of words that you use in commit in the next video. So, and then you just close your double quotes and then press enter. Now, you see what it says. It says three files changed. We changed the three files: index.html, main CSS, script.js. And although we did not do anything in script.js, but we still committed like first time already. It was only added to the staging area, but it was not committed. So that's why it shows three files changed and 28 insertions. And it shows our commit name as well, all my latest changes. That's the name that we remember we gave it to it while committing. Is the one, all my latest changes. So that's what it shows. And then it also shows a git, a commit, you know a commit code, like I don't remember like what it says. So I will be sh code or something like that. So I will be discussing it in the next video. I myself would have to revise that because I'm not perfect, guys. I mean, come on. So thank you, guys. I hope you understood how to make a commit. In the next video, I will be talking about the best practices of your uh, like best practices of naming your commits. So stay tuned for the next video. Thank you and bye.